In today's video, I am going to talk about no pause method. If you really want to think directly in English 10x faster using ChatGPT, then this method will work 100% for you. Because when I was at my learning stage, that time I tried the same method and it really worked for me. So my friends, before talking about method, I want to talk a little bit about my 1K subscribers. Most of the language learners, they commented me and texted me, sir, you got 1K subscribers, so how is your feeling now? First of all, thank you so much for your love and support, but I am not too much happy because my goal is to make you fluent in English. One day, once you will achieve your desired fluency and you will send your 1 to 2 minute videos on my WhatsApp, so your methods, they are really working for us and we are enjoying speaking in English, that day I will be on cloud 9. Okay, my friends, so I am a trainer, I am an English speaker, and I never chase views and subscribers. Okay, my goal is only to solve your problems what you have been facing for years and years. Now coming back to the topic, the misconception about think in English. Many language learners, they think like, oh my god, if he just speaking, then all time he thinks in English. He doesn't think in his mother tongue. It's completely wrong. Okay, when I speak in English, I'm gonna give you my personal experience. Then if there are two of my friends, they are standing over there, so when they will come right here, I would start speaking only in my mother tongue. English is my third language, okay, not even second language. So I speak Jharkhandi language first of all, and after that I speak Hindi and then English. But if I am talking to you only in English right now, then my other languages, they are not coming to my mind because I know switch on, switch off method. Okay, what is it? First of all, when you speak English, when I speak English, I feel English is the only language in the world, and we know English, we speak English, you understand English. That's it. So I switch my mind completely to English. In the same way, if my friends, they would come right here, I would start speaking only in my Jharkhandi language. That time I never think like I know English. I start speaking only like that. Okay. And when I speak in Hindi, I again never think about English, neither English nor my mother tongue. Okay. So my friends, that's how you can switch your mind. But the question is, it's very easy to say, to switch your mind, but how we can do it? Okay, I'm gonna give you one secret that you can follow and can apply in your daily life and can enjoy English speaking as I am enjoying right now. Okay, my friends. So first of all, what you can do when you go to just ChatGPT and just say whatever I am saying to you. Hi ChatGPT, I have a translation issue. Whenever I try to speak in English, then my mother tongue comes to my mind. What should I do now? So I want to follow no pause method. This is also known as zero pause method. Okay. After that, ChatGPT would say, okay, no problem, I'm gonna help you now. Then you can just choose a topic. I'm gonna give you one topic. Okay. So the topic is the importance of family members, and I'm gonna tell you how you can talk. Never chase the speed. Most of the language learners, they think if I would speak very fast, very speed, it simply means I am fluent. No, you are not fluent like that. Okay. So fluency comes only when you are completely clear what you are trying to say. Fluency never comes from speaking randomly, meaninglessly, but you are speaking fast. It's completely wrong. Okay, let me talk a little bit about my family members. Most of the people in the world, they think like family members, they are nothing for you. Sometime nowadays, when you are growing, when you are going to become something, then they feel jealous of you. This is completely wrong idea. I completely disagree. Okay, because I respect my family. Without having a family members, you cannot even imagine a life. Because once when I was preparing for my 12th standard, then that time I was a science student and I failed in exam. Okay, means in my mathematics I got only 13 marks out of 100 in my annual exam. And all my society members, they started making fun of me. They taunted me. I was immature, so I cried a lot. But my parents, my father, my brother, my mother, they supported me a lot. And they said me, if you really want to speak English, then just join a spoken class. If you want to study further, then just go for that. We are with you. Whatever you want, you can do. And then again I prepared for 12th. And in my ISC it took 3 years. And my friends, believe me, that time I was crying a lot, but finally I got in the next year 75 number in mathematics out of 100, and I was super glad. So I want to tell you now, this is your topic, okay, a life without having family member, or the importance of family members. So when you will speak on ChatGPT, this is called no pause method. Once you will learn it completely, because this week is completely targeted on how to think in English, okay. I will speak English. I will guide you a step by step. So the day will automatically come when you will not take any pause, and you will start speaking spontaneously as I am speaking. Okay. So you can talk about this topic, like the importance of your family members. I'm gonna give you one day, and after speaking completely, just come to the next video and tell me your feedback. Okay, my friends, you can just comment below, are you ready or not. This is called zero pause method. But how to do, again listen. Just don't chase a speed. Don't think like the more I will speak fluently, the trainer will appreciate me a lot. No, speed has nothing to do with your fluency. Fluency means to feel completely satisfied once you express your emotion in English. Okay, my friend. So go to ChatGPT and talk about this topic, and you enjoy it. Definitely you will enjoy it. So now I am tired of speaking, because while speaking English on camera, it took a lot of energy here. Okay, bye bye, take care, have a nice day. We will meet again tomorrow.